I'm Pam Whitley. We're here at Michael Hatcher and Associates, and I'm a horticulturist on staff. And we're going to talk about hummingbirds and butterfly attractants, ways to get them into your garden. Everybody wants hummingbirds and butterflies. We like to look at these creatures, but there's differences in flower preference for both of these creatures. Hummingbirds like to come in fast. They need a flower that has a tubular shape. Ones like bottlebrush buckeye and salvia, monarda, they like those type of flowers that they can hit fast and then move on. Butterflies would prefer a flower a lot like the black-eyed Susan here that has a resting spot for them to collect their nectar. So what both of them do like though are annuals and perennials. Annuals, of course, we know are those flowers that we plant every year so that they continue to bloom through the growing cycle. And then perennials are plants like black-eyed Susans that come up every year. These plants have usually a limited bloom cycle, but if we vary our gardens with lots of perennials and lots of annuals, we'll get a better selection for these creatures to come pollinate. We always want to remember that hummingbirds like to have bright colored flowers, at least to attract them. Experts recommend that you can get a plastic tape of either orange or red coloration and hang it from trees or on your deck to draw attention and lure them in. Once they're there, they'll find your flowers. You can also have a hummingbird feeder. Just make sure that you keep the fluid in there fresh. Make sure that you change it out, especially if you get some insects in it, because that'll sour it, or if we have a big rainfall. So those things are good for hummingbirds. And then butterflies really like your old-fashioned, like your grandma's flowers. Those things that we traditionally think about are regular flowers that we've seen for years and years and years. Because even though they're making new flowers to attract humans, butterflies and hummingbirds really like those ones that are tried and true, that they can get the best pollen from, they can access easy, and that makes them happy. So try those hints in your garden. See if those bring some more creatures to you, and you can always share all your information or go online and look up for more information on hummingbirds and butterflies.